We were just following orders. We did not know what was going on in the camps. Didn't work in Germany. It's not going to work in the United States either. Guess what? Crimes against humanity is crimes against humanity. Those Germans that were following orders wind up hanging from a rope at the end because the Nuremberg Trials, I don't want to spoil the end for you because you're going to see it here again. But the fact is, crimes against humanity is crimes against humanity. And these federal agents that are operating against the Constitution, regardless of following orders, are still going to be held liable. They are criminally violating federal and state laws. I will include them at the end of this, but the reality of it is this. These government agencies like ICE and even the police officers that are now deputized to act as ICE are violating state and federal laws. And guess what? Even if this Trumpster decided to pardon all of them, he can only do it on a federal level. It doesn't change the fact that every single state would be able to do it. And Trumpsters, before you want to talk about pardoning, just realize something. If pardons were possible, then when the Trumpster got his 34 felonies, why didn't anybody pardon him? Why? Because it was a state level, not a federal level, so he's on the hook. We were just following orders. We didn't know what was going on. It didn't work in Germany. It's not going to work now. So maybe the ICE agents, the people that are actually doing crimes against humanity, like the Bondis and the Gnomes and the Millers, all of these people that didn't get laid in high school or were too busy under the desk to actually learn about the constitutional law, should actually take a moment to realize that immigrants in this country are not criminals. What do you guys think? If you aren't reposting this or sharing it, then you're part of the problem. Be a part of the solution, have your voice heard, and repost and share this with as many people